tourist attraction kind of place. It's hidden off in the woods. Northwest Montana. It's not where we wanted to go. We had a bunch of rain coming in. So instead of going south to the one we wanted to, we're headed north. Came up to another one that we found out in the woods. We'll show you in a second.
Have fun in nature's out for another adventure in Northwest Montana. Look how green it is. Some big rocks up there. The sound you hear in the background would be beautiful birds and a waterfall. It's a nice little drive. Beautiful area. So, into the forest we go to lose our mind and find our soul.
We're going into the woods.
It's so green.
Some kind of mushroom. It's dead though.
We'll be sure to talk loud. We are in bear country. Bear country. And it is wet back here.
Maybe we'll find a mushroom.
Aren't they pretty?
Almost there.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I see it. Oh wow. Be aware of our surroundings. We'll make you look at a sign or two first. Oh, you see it? Mountain Falls Nature Trail, nurse trees. I think we took a shortcut. What? Oh. Be aware of our surroundings. Talk loud. We don't want to startle anything. Alright, y'all ready? Welcome to one of the waterfalls in Northwest Montana. I'd have to say, one of the less visited. Oh, wow. Martin Falls in Northwest Montana. Woo! is amazing. Vitamin N, guys. Wow. Let me soak it in for a minute.
These falls are awesome. Oh my goodness. I don't know how high that is. Gotta be 100 and some foot. I don't even know. But yeah, we're just standing here hanging out. This one's for Todd. We ain't tried that geocaching app yet, but whenever we're out, we just find some random geocaches. Check this one out. It's hiding under a little bush. It looks like a piece of tree. With some random stuff. Pretty funny. Never use an app, but we keep finding them. Anyway, I had to show you that one, guys. Later! We're at the falls too. Look, check out this water. Look how clear that crap is. It's so clean and pure. There's some place where the water ain't so clean. Pure, clean water. Hey. One reason we like monsoon. Nice, clean water up here.
Guys, I'm gonna see if I can get a side shot. Now we gotta explore a bit. I can do it. Oh wow. Vitamin N, guys. I love waterfalls. Pretty. That's awesome. It's so peaceful here. Sure to like and subscribe and set that bell for more notifications, outdoor adventures, gardening, homesteading. Love you all. Thank you all for your support. Gorgeous. Go get some vitamin in today. Love you guys.